What's up, guys? This is WII RCT bringing you another video for you guys. And before we begin today with this video, I wanted to say thank you so much for each and every one of you guys out there who have been watching the videos as of late and supporting the channel by subbing. You know, I just ask of you to sub and stay tuned if you really enjoy the content being showed here. So yeah, thanks a lot for all of that outpour of people coming in, reaching out, commenting, saying anything, just sticking by the channel. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Mad props for all of you guys. Now, that being said and getting that out of the way, today is a very special day because today we get to mess around, play, and have fun with this new add-on pack, which is a WII U add-on pack created by this guy right here, which I am not going to pronounce his name because I always end up butchering it. Now, I know I'm going to call you Moss. I'm going to shorten the name, and he will be referred to as Moss from here on out. It's an endearing way of doing it. I'm not trying to rag on the guy or anything like that. Mad respects for him and doing this. I had a chance to go over this and test it and had tons of fun doing so. So I only have utmost respect. But this is the guy right here. So you can go ahead, you pronounce it at your home. You know who he is. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is that this add-on is awesome. It adds the WII U library to the existing CoinOPS 4 Plus, or 4 Mini, and it just works. It works beautiful. It's another thing that I am going to leave another video for that in the future, but I will get into how easy it is to add these packs on your own. I'm going to take some time later on to really learn. As long as you know the folder structure and things and configure files and stuff, you can start making your own packs. Now, that's something that once I feel I'm comfortable enough to understand very well, I will do a video later on that if you're interested. But that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about this amazing add-on pack. So without further ado, let's go into this. Needless to say, this guy here also is responsible for, I believe, is the Pinball FX and some other add-on packs for the CoinOPS build. So yeah, the guy's awesome, just like Madman, just like BP, creator of this whole thing, JJ, Nally. There's so many people involved, that is awesome. So even you can become one with little time and practice. But let's go into this so you can see what I'm talking about.
Three, two, one.